Are you talking to those toys?
If that incorporates taking care of Maggie, then he's going to do it. He sees this apocalypse as a situation where he can fool himself and he can make something of himself.
Are you gonna roll over?
She's close to rolling.
Are you gonna roll over?
Yes, he is, and she needs him. She has to bring him somewhere. I think Carol is finding that she has to speak up.
Can you get it?
She has to find her courage.
Can you get it?
Linda's a sharpshooter.
Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Season 3, same year. Where's she looking here?
What are you doing? Yes. Oh, you got your other toy. Good job. She picked it right up. Good job. What a good job you did. Look at that concentration.
Oh yeah, like I said, I know she's needed.
You know what?